to my channel. So if you've been following me for a while, you know we've been through some crazy stuff with my hair. I chopped it off. Well, I went blonde, I chopped it off, I went red, then I went dark brown, maybe medium brown. Anyways, so I was actually completely fine with my hair, but my husband was like, oh, it's too dark. So the fact that he said that, obviously just something happened, and now here I am about to try and lighten up my hair. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove unwanted permanent hair color. What I'm going to do is I am going to attempt to remove some of the hair color, just kind of lighten it up a little bit. I don't want to bleach it, so I am gonna go ahead and try it. I mean, I obviously know from watching the videos, I obviously know that I'm going to eventually have to dye it or add toner or something, because I'm expecting like a brown orangey type of thing. So anyways, I'm gonna apply this all over my hair and hopefully it works. Anyways, I did already read the instructions, and a lot of people were saying not to use number 3 because number 3 darkens up your hair or something like that. So I'm kind of gonna leave this one out for now and then just see how it goes. Yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So it says to mix an even amount. I don't know if I should do all of it. It says to mix in an even amount of bottles 1 and 2. But you can't even see. Ugh. Okay, just so you guys know, this thing smells like fart. Say a prayer. And here goes nothing. Alright guys, so I think I'm done. It says to wrap up your hair in a loose cap, or to, you know, kind of just throw it on. So that's what I'm gonna do. I have a cap. This is 136. So it says to leave it on for 20 minutes. Alright guys, it is 1:57. So I'm going to take this off, and I don't want to leave it any longer because I really don't want, I probably shouldn't be doing anything to my hair if I don't want it to get damaged, but you know, I don't want it to get more damaged. So I'm going to go ahead and take this off, wash off my hair, and then I'll come back and show you guys. But let me go ahead and take this off. Definitely looks like it lightened up. So you guys can see those strands right there. And that is where I obviously had like my ombre. That is how it's looking, which is great, I think. Anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this off and I'll be back. All right guys, moment of truth. Oh damn. All right, well, it is definitely red orange, very red orange, I should say. Oh my god. Okay, well, in person, I mean, obviously my hair's wet, but so that is in natural daylight. So I'm definitely going to be going to Sally's here in a little bit and pick up some other stuff, because I can't have it this color by the time my husband gets home, or else he's going to be talking so much crap. So I'll see you guys a little bit later. All right guys, so it is 3:27. I ran out to Sally's to grab some stuff. So this is how freaking orange my hair is. And well, we're gonna do our best. Sorry if you hear noise, but I do have the window open. That freaking thing to remove your hair color smells disgusting. But anyway, so let me show you guys real quick what I got. So I got the Wella, I think that's what it's called, Wella Color Charm, and it's a T14. And this is the toner. I did get 2 of them because I always run out of stuff, so I'm not trying to do that. And then I got the 20 developer, the 20 volume developer. And then I got this one, which is the Cooling Violet, and it's in the number 50. I'm a little hesitant with this one. I just saw a video where a girl did her hair and she added half the bottle of this, which I wouldn't do that, but it literally took away all the orangeness. So I kind of want to add a little bit. I'm not 100% sure. I haven't read the instructions, but anyways, I'm going to read the instructions, mix everything together, and then we'll get started. Alright guys, so my hair is officially toned. It is 3:50. I don't even know how long I'm supposed to leave this thing on. Well, this is for up to 30 minutes, so it's 3:50. So since now Damien is out, I'm actually just gonna hang out here and kind of keep an eye on it. I don't want to walk away from the mirror because I'm scared. But yeah, we'll see how it turns out. So see you guys back in a little. All right guys, so it's been, I want to say, about a week since I dyed my hair, or like did the color correction or color removal, and this is how it looks. It did get lighter. I left the now I can't think of a word. The toner. I think I left the toner on a little bit too long. I want to say I left it on for like 10 minutes, but it started darkening up my hair really fast. But I definitely think it looks lighter, not necessarily as light as I wanted it to be, but it is lighter. So this is my end result. I didn't want to show you guys right away just because the first 2 days before I started washing my hair, or after I had only washed my hair once, it was still kind of dark and I didn't really see much of a difference. So I wanted it to show you guys while my hair it's been washed a total of 3 times. So I know that it's just going to continue to get lighter and lighter, but as of right now, this is what it looks like. So yeah, that is everything for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.